Welcome to CBSE Science Experiments. Today we are going to discuss about osmosis. We will perform one activity related to osmosis. So for this purpose we have to take a petri dish or simple this type of glass is required, this type of bowl is required, glass bowl, and then one potato is required, one pin, salt, test tube, water. First see this picture. In this picture we have taken this type of potato and see carefully how we cut the potato. First we have to peel, then we have to cut the both sides to make it flat, then we have to make a hole, and then we have to place this potato inside this bowl. Then little bit of water we have to put. Then take this type of test tube, give water, and then pour salt. You can use sugar also. Okay, now this solution is becoming a high concentrated solution. Okay, now this high concentrated salt solution keep just place within the hole. I think little extra water we should take back. Okay, now take this pin and just see carefully. Just we will use this pin for to see that to mark the level of the water. So you have to mark just like this. You can see just like this we have to mark. I think you can see now we have to place like this, and we will wait for near about 1 hour. So we will wait. Before that, let me discuss about this matter. So what arrangement we have done, just let me explain. First we have taken this type of petri dish or this type of glass bowl, and then we this plain water, simple, this is a plain water, we kept it, and we place the potato here, we place, and this is the hole, and high concentrated salt solution we have taken here. And mind it, the level of this high concentrated water or salt solution and this level should differ. It should be in higher level and it should be lower level. Okay, and then one pin we have taken. Okay, one pin we have taken to see the level, primary level, to mark the primary level we have taken this one, and other here. Okay, complete. Then after some time, means it will be near about 1 hour. 1 hour. After 1 hour, what we will observe? We shall observe that the level, this level of high concentrated salt water or salt solution, that it will increase, and it will increase, and this level, but this level, to identify this level it is difficult, but actually if you see carefully, this level will decrease and this level will increase. Means, what is the reason behind it? The reason is that as it is the high concentrated solution and this is low concentrated solution, you know, in osmosis there is a tendency to move solvent, minded here, solvent means water, solvent will move from low concentrated area to high concentrated area. Here high concentration is high, so from low concentrated area to high concentrated, from low concentrated to high concentrated, the solvent will move. So when it will move, automatically the level will rise. Okay, level will rise. So this is the osmosis, but we have to wait near about 1 hour. So I think 1 hour to wait, 1 hour means continue this video, it will be problematic, but after 1 hour we will show what is the result. Okay, now after 1 hour we will observe what is the situation. See the level arises. Okay, you can see the level arises. Okay, so this experiment is successful. Thank you.